The Honourable Minister of Fisheries and Communities.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, our government has been clear that we intend on doing everything we can to fight climate change. As part of that ongoing effort, I am pleased to share that the Department of Fisheries and Communities has begun work to develop the first ever seafood environmental impact reduction plan. This new green strategy builds on the excellent work of our island fishers and do to preserve our natural environments. Mr. Speaker, look at the North Shore Oyster Company and the PEI Aquaculture Alliance. North Shore Oyster Company built a solar-powered feeding system for their oyster nursery fishery, and the Aquaculture Alliance replaced 87,000 styrofoam buoys with more non-eco-friendly ones. They're all great ideas that island companies are implementing to both protect an environment and to innovate their business. The strategy is underway. It will be evidence-based and rely on the expertise of leading research and industry innovators. The department will be working closely with the seafood sector, other government departments, and of course other levels of government, because this is a team effort. In fact, it's a global effort. Mr. Speaker, these discussions happened at the COP26 in Scotland right now and are very things we are doing right here in Prince Edward Island. We all want to do our part to preserve the environment for future generations. We want this generation of fishers and aquaculturists to be the best to pass on to their children an environment where they can fish and farm in the waters around us. We want the seafood industry to thrive, to continue being a leader in delivering world-class products. Mr. Speaker, as I said, this new strategy will help us identify and implement sustainable green changes. Staff are gathering information about best practices that will reach out to the various fishery, aquaculture, and seafood processing associations for their input in the new year. Mr. Speaker, we know that there are many opportunities for the aquaculture, the commercial fishers, and the seafood processors to make positive environmental changes for the future of this province. This strategy will be an evolving guide to the ways we can work together on initiatives to help us realize PEI's net zero energy goals. Mr. Speaker, I hope all members of the House will encourage the people they know in the fishing and island community and aquaculture community to have the voices reflected in the strategy. Mr. Speaker, I look forward to sharing this final strategy in the early next fall.